God, hear me. I have a vision today. A vision shaped by your light. A vision of stories that lift our spirits, not weigh them down. Lord, place truth in our hearts. Place peace in our words. Place compassion in the way we see one another. I want the news to tell a story. A story of love, not fear. A story of life, not despair. A story of how we helped each other. How we built bridges instead of walls. How we created rather than destroyed. Lord, let the headlines speak of generosity, of communities coming together, of neighbors caring for neighbors, of hands held across differences, of grace, understanding, and humanity. I pray for the future to look different. I pray that teenagers, when they look at their screens, see light, see hope, see people from every walk of life coming together to create a better world. Lord, let the stories we hear remind us that humanity is shared, that every soul carries value, that love still has power, and that understanding can still heal division. I want the media to show us who we truly are. Our kindness, our courage, our compassion, our willingness to rise together. Tell us about the teacher who stays late to help a child who struggles. Tell us about the volunteer who builds homes for those in need. Tell us about the strangers who feed the hungry and the communities that rise together in love. Lord, remind us that empathy still lives within us. Remind us that care still exists in this world. Remind us that we can still see one another through the eyes of grace. Lord, tell us the story of our humanity. Tell us what makes us human. The laughter we share, the tears we wipe away, the hands we hold in times of trouble, the love that continues to rise through hardship. We are learning. We are growing. We are healing. And with your guidance, we can become something beautiful together. Let the world reflect the best of us. Let it show the bridges we've built, the meals shared, the hands held, the communities that stood strong together, the moments of joy and triumph, the small acts of goodness that ripple across the world. Lord, remind us that we are connected. Remind us that we belong to one another. Remind us that love still has the power to guide humanity forward. I speak of this not as a wish, but as a prayer for understanding, a prayer for compassion, a prayer for a world guided by truth, grace, and love. Lord, let us tell the story of life. Let us tell the story of hope. Let us tell the story of our shared humanity. And let your light guide the way.